Hey, what's up, everybody? Here I am backstage of Creepshow. It's now 7:23 with the snow just coming down like crazy. Montana's not seen this for decades. This much snow in October, which is consistent. It's insane. We are now 2 hours away from Creepshow tonight, and due to coronavirus, we had a bunch of people that tested positive and or got a test and had to quarantine because they were contact traced being around somebody that had a positive coronavirus test, and they all of them were chefs at our local pizza joint, and so we're down a bunch of people there. So Kelly has to go in and work at the pizza restaurant tonight. He can't be in Creepshow at all until later on. We had a couple people in our Creepshow that either tested positive or sick or around someone that tested positive. They can't do the show. We're down. Jace Feldy was here last week. So we're down Jace Feldy. We're down a couple other people. We're down a total of 5 people for tonight's Creepshow. Not sure how we're going to pull this off because... the Creepshow, at one point we had like 15 people in the show. Now we're down to like 6 or 7 people. Can we pull off the show with 6 or 7 people? I'm not sure. I contacted one of my good friends. He was in plays this year, and this summer he was in several plays. I contacted him last night. I was like, hey man, you got anything going on tomorrow? Because we need people just to throw on masks and get this Creepshow going, because we are down a lot of people this weekend, and I'm not sure how we're going to pull this off, but we're going to try to fight through this thing, So we're now down. We don't got Jace. We don't have Gloria. Don't have Megan. We don't have Kelly. We don't have Stuart. We don't have Mom now because she has to go work at Prison Pizza. And now we have the snowstorm going on. What are we supposed to do here?
Well, I think, Pat, we might have to shut her down. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get over there and just see what we got and try to see if we can come up with a plan. If we don't have enough bodies, we don't have enough bodies. So let's just go.
Tonight?
Well, I hope so. I don't know how many out of towners we'll get. We might get some locals.
Yeah, how many out of towners are driving this over those passes?
I know.
It's a pass everywhere you go, pretty much.
I just hope we have enough of a crew to have a show.
Here we are, right outside the theater. We're now about an hour away from our very first show, Creepshow tonight. As you see behind me, it's still pouring down snow. Who knows what's going to happen tonight? We got a short skeleton crew. There's only 1 or 2 people here right now. I'm not sure who's going to show up. But, we got a show to do tonight. And then the show must go on. And we're going to ensure the show does go on. And looks like people are starting to arrive behind me now. But yeah, it's middle of October. Snow's coming down like crazy. Coronavirus is hitting everybody. They're taking out our actors. They're taking out our workers at Prison Pizza. Coronavirus has just been nuts, and we're still rolling. We're going to pull this thing off. We're going to find a way to pull off the show tonight and tomorrow night, and still at the same time keep our pizza business up and running. So this is going to be an interesting show tonight. Again, we have brand new actors coming in to sub in for people who can't be here, and I look forward to tonight's show. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we'll see what happens here.
major changes are, I think J Marsh is going to be playing the back me up if I'm correct, the satanic priest and the bartender.
Yeah, he doesn't play
Pat
that.
and Pat and Marquise, who else plays that part?
I never played.
Kelly, Lewis did it once. Once you played that?
Okay, so you guys can kind of take him through that and like what you do with an actual live tour. Because honest to God, I wrote the thing, but I don't know how it actually is.
So then are you going to do the window breaking thing?
Yeah, so me and Kaya, I was thinking about splitting us up. We do the window breaking, and also the doors back in the green room. I was thinking something for the not scary rooms. I mean, one of us could do it, but it'd be a trick for one of us to get over there. Unless one of us can leave early, Kaya. While the stage show's going on, then you go through the box office, go into position.
We were working out scenarios where like two of us play like 5 parts yesterday. So can you do the rest of the show? I was like, this morning I was like, oh, maybe we don't need y'all. Like,
Maybe the last, I guess, haunted house I was in, I sucked. Let's see how tonight goes.
here we are down at the theater. Matt's behind me, meeting with the cast. As you see behind me, this is everybody. This is everybody in the entire cast tonight. We had way more people during our dress rehearsals, our first couple of rehearsals. We were down to 5 or 6 people. Coronavirus just taken out a lot of people. Not deaths, thank God, but just quarantining and all these different things. We have so many people that just can't be here tonight. We're down to 5 or 6 people playing 2 or 3 parts every single show, and we're going to see if we can pull this off. I think we can, and this is going to be a very interesting show. We are now 47 minutes from our first show.
So there's a stage show. A stage show with 2 people. There's a stage show with 2 people, and you will be hanging backstage, probably with Bob. Does Bob come out too?
As a demon at the very beginning?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so Bob can kind of tell you when to come out. You just come out because he says they're coming for you.
They're coming.
This guy's a veteran actor.
He says they're coming.
Come on.
So then I shut the lights off, then you and Bob come out, and someone will come out from that way. Izzy will come out.
This should be Creepshow, the replacements.
Yeah.
Coming to New Reeves, bitch.
Yeah, so Bob will let you know whenever our first tour is when to come out. You scare them, then you leave.
Okay.
Then after the stage show, you go set up in your place, and
Now dance! Like, keep pounding this thing, be like, now dance! 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 And then Izzy will start playing the piano over there. Okay. And then they'll come through here. And then you got that, and then you have this back entrance over here where you can hang out. You can even go on stage for a little bit if you want to, I don't know. The new bartender has arrived.
We ain't got any alcohol. What's wrong with this place?
Wait, just the leaves.
okay. So
Chinese little friend.
hey, some guides really quick. So I'm up here, and I just act like I'm trained up here. Yeah, you can even put those. Put your hand in the ropes.
There's a loop. No, there's loops right here.
Oh, okay. So
Don't put your hand all the way, otherwise it's tough to get out.
Oh, yeah. I see what
So
you're
just kind of like put your fingertips in, and just
Or even behind it.
onto
Yeah, even behind it.
And I go like this, and then how long do I wait till I come down?
So the guide will leave the group. The guide will leave the group.
Yeah, the guy will leave the group.
Shut the door. You're gonna be here by yourselves, and it's gonna be super creepy. They can barely see you because that light's just gonna
And
be.
wait about 30 seconds.
Then they're gonna be like, "Oh shit, he's moving."
And slowly kind of move and make your way. Yeah. Just stick
Yeah,
to
just
it.
make your way down.
Like 30 steps up for a kill.
Yeah, you get.
And they're gonna be so scared that you can take your time too. Yeah, grab the symbol.
Where's the symbol? Right here?
Yeah, right
Yep.
there. And then come over here.
Come over here.
Like right back here? Right?
Yeah, and I would watch.
No, like. Yeah, you can walk in front of the group, walk in between them, you know.
And then just
Because you'll probably
Go louder.
your
There we go.
your eyes are gonna be more adjusted.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that said, moving right along.
Marquise flies in.
Yeah, Marquise says, "Okay, let's get the hell out of here." He kicks you out. Oh.
This is ridiculous. What are we doing here?
Okay, so.
So this is the point
Yeah,
where everyone wants to
let's
exit. If it's too scary, get out. If not,
Let's get this thing moving. Yeah,
Alright.
just carrying it out. You guys know what to do.
Put-
Now, watch out for all these faces in here. will be hiding in one of these rooms because this is my scare.
I'm gonna plug this
And then I can do that curtain scare.
Sure. Yep. Okay, so then we go over to J Mark.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Here I am backstage of Creepshow. It's now 7:23 with the snow just coming down like crazy. Montana's not seen this for decades. This much snow in October, which is consistent. It's insane. 7:23 p.m. here at the Creepshow, and we still only have one person that came through. Only one person came through so far. We are now going to launch the show in 10 minutes with one person.
Hey, we got a tour.
Yeah, let's do it.
Two people, everyone.
Oh yeah!
One kid,
That's our best crowd
one
yet.
kid's been waiting 42 minutes, but finally he's gonna get his wish.